Hi, welcome back. In this video, I am going to talk about how can you download any music and listen to any radio station on iPhone. First, you have to download an app. To download, go to App Store. Search HAHD FM, link in the description. Download it. Once downloaded, open the app. On the main page, you have trending music of your country. Then radio and songs. To change country, tap on three dots on top right corner. Tap on Select Country. And here select the country that you want. Once selected, press Done. On the next page we've got music history. There will be downloaded songs, favorites music, and playlists. On Files, you have got your downloaded music's files. On Search, you can search for any songs, radios, and podcasts. In here search, song that you want to download or listen. Tap on Song. Select the song that you want to listen. To download, tap on three dots. Tap on Download icon. And select the file format. To add in favorites, tap on Add to Favorites. Once downloaded, it will go to Files, so you can listen it offline too. There's also radio station. You can search for any that you want to listen. Unfortunately, you cannot listen it offline. You've also got popular radios on the main page. This also works in the background. If I go and turn off Wi-Fi, the song should be able to play, as I have downloaded. As you can see, the songs that you have downloaded works offline. That's how you can download and listen to any radio station on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.